Today, we're diving into the future of product photography with an incredible AI tool. If you've ever wished for stunning product photos in mere seconds, well, your wish just came true. Let's explore how this innovative tool is reshaping the game. At Pebbly, they've cracked the code to create beautiful product photos in mere seconds. Let's explore how this AI wizardry can elevate your visual game. First up, Pebbly lets you create Instagram-worthy photos for any product with just the click of a button. Say goodbye to hours of tedious photography. Break free from the monotony of using the same old boring photo across all your marketing channels. It all starts with your regular product picture. Pebbly works its magic by automatically removing the background from your images. And here's where the magic happens. Resize and extend your images to any size you need. Turn one image into a multitude of marketing assets. One image, multiple pieces of content. It's that simple. There you have it, folks. Pebbly, your secret weapon for stunning product photos and dynamic design. Ready to take your visuals to the next level? Head over to pebbly.com and let the magic begin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy creating with Pebbly.